So we're going to take a picture that we've just searched for in Google Images and we're going to convert it into an SVG so that we can then load it into Tinkercad. So over here I've got Google Images and I've searched for the laughing emoji outline. I found that adding the word outline at the end helps you to find graphics which you can easily convert to SVG. So any of these would do. I'm just going to go for this one here. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to save it just to my desktop for simplicity. And I'll just call it emoji. And then I'm going to go across to my PNG to svg.com. And I'm going to choose the file that I just saved, colors 1. I'm going to go to generate. And then I can download the SVG version, again, which would automatically go to my desktop. And then now I can easily import this into Tinkercad. So it's not the original version that I saved, it's the SVG version. Okay, I'm going to make it 100mm to kick off, and the length is going to automatically adjust. And then we just wait for it to load. And there we have a nice laughing emoji which we can use in our designs.